Struggling to debug front-end issues without user context? Site24x7 Session Replay shows you the complete user journey. Fixing front-end errors without context. It's frustrating and time-consuming. You see an error, but not the actions that led to it. No idea what the user clicked, what loaded, or what broke. You're left guessing in the dark. What if you could see exactly what the user did before the error? With Session Replay in Site24x7, you get complete visibility into every user session, from first click to final crash. To get started, select RUM from the side panel of your Site24x7 dashboard. Next, choose an application to view its real user monitoring dashboard. Then, click on Session Replay from the side panel to access user session recordings. You'll see a list of recorded sessions, ready for playback and analysis. Select a session to view the session replay metrics. Replay the full user journey to get visual context behind every interaction and issue. Watch every click, scroll, and interaction exactly as it happened. Then correlate them with performance metrics and errors to pinpoint bugs fast and refine the user experience. Session Replay in Site24x7 goes beyond simple playback. Track every interaction chronologically. Inspect DOM events to verify whether the UI responded correctly to user actions. Access the errors that the browser reported. Analyze resource load timings to pinpoint latency bottlenecks. Spot the slow rendering pages. Monitor memory usage over time. Capture the request and response headers, payload, and response body of the API calls. Session Replay gives you actionable context, complete visibility, and faster fixes. Start using it today and troubleshoot smarter. Thank you.